It will soon be possible to build roads from metallurgical slag in Kazakhstan. Alexander Akberdin, a local scientist, presented this process and technology at the annual innovation competition in Astana. His innovative idea aims to repurpose the harmful waste from metallurgical industries into crushed stone for road construction. Implementing this project could extend the lifespan of road surfaces by decades. The developer believes that this initiative will benefit both the economy and the environment. We suggest considering alternatives to asphalt in road construction, as it requires repairs every 3 years or every 6 months. What we propose will serve for 80 years. We aim to build concrete roads using slag rather than cement.
Строительство бетонных дорог не из цемента, а из шлака, остуженного в форме.
Among the showcased innovations, some focus on addressing road safety and construction challenges in Kazakhstan's complex climatic and hydrogeological conditions.
Как бороться с зимним содержанием снега, то есть предлагается разработать карту климатического районирования.
Regarding winter snow maintenance, it is proposed to develop a climate zoning map and tailor winter maintenance standards to regional climatic characteristics. Moreover, our scientists propose various innovative solutions in the field of ecology. The works presented at our competition will be further studied, refined and implemented in our road sector in the near future.
В нашем конкурсе будут в ближайшее время уже далее изучены, доработаны, а также внедрены в нашу дорожную сферу.